So we recently made a change to the Mosmatic wand holder. If you're familiar with this, it's been in all of our custom installs for a very long time. It's a pretty stout piece of equipment that allows you to basically store your OG spec gun and wand on the wall right next to your pressure washer. The original version was a little bit taller than this, so that's why we made this short version, and we're going to talk a little bit about it right now. The main advantage to the short one is the fact that when you take the gun off, the wand does not get lost in there. So we had a problem before where if you had just the wand by itself in here with no nozzle on it, it would get trapped. You couldn't grab it because it would come up too high. Now that is not a problem. It's a pretty small change, but it makes a pretty significant difference in the wall mounted setup. And I think it's something you're really gonna enjoy. If you already have the taller one, maybe it's something you switch out, but all custom installs will come with this now going forward. You can get this as well as everything else wall-mounted pressure washers in our store at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, please let us know down in the comments or email support@obsessedgarage.com.